بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. ولا يتزوج المولى أمته. Page number 16. Okay. ولا يتزوج المولى أمته ولا المرأة عبدها لأن النكاح ما شرع إلا مثمرا ثمرات مشتركة بين المتناكحين، والمملوكية تنافي المالكية فيمتنع وقوع الثمرة على الشركة. ولا يتزوج المولى أمته, and the Aka is not allowed to make the nikah with the girl servant Ama. ولا المرأة, and 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 a queen means uh, a king girl, a girl king. ولا المرأة, no, cannot make the nikah عبدها, to her servant. So okay, if the king is man, so he cannot make the nikah with the ama, with the jariya bandi. And if the king is woman, so she cannot make the nikah with her servant. Got it?
Yes.
النكاح لأن النكاح لأن النكاح ما شرع إلا مثمرا, because nikah is published إلا مثمرا, to give the result. ثمرات, about the results. مشتركة, which are equal, which are uh, 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 بين which are equal between the wife and husband. Because when a man make the nikah with a girl, so there are a lot of things. Some things the man owns, and something the girl owns. For example, the man owns to stop the girl not to go out from the house, to give okay, and the girl, she owns to take money from the husband, to take and to require a house from the husband, that I want a house, I want to live there. Okay, so when a man makes the nikah with a girl, so there is the relation is the relation of the ownership. Okay, so girl needs to the man, and man need to the girl. Okay, so this is nikah is for the results which are honored between two, wife and husband. Okay, so in the nikah everyone is malik. Okay, a man is malik. Malik means honor of, to stop the girl to go out from the house, and to a lot of things. And also the girl is the owner of the monies she wants from the husband, and other things in the house as well. Okay, so look at, so when someone make nikah with a girl, so there is the relation is the relation of the ownership. Okay, wal mamlukiya. But when someone makes nikah with his servant, so the servant is mamluk. Mamluk, the
Yes.
one who
Owns.
is the one who is the under ownership. For example, I say, this is my laptop, so my laptop is mamluk, and I am the malik. Got it?
Yes.
So wal mamlukiyatu, so mamlukiyat is tunafi, it is against al malikiya, it is against the malikiya. On being the owner and being under the ownership, it is the uh, against to each other. فيمتنع وقوع الثمرة على الشركة. So it is impossible to give the result on the shirkat, just like this. Okay. ويجوز تزويج
Okay.
الكتاب ويجوز تزويج الكتابيات, and it is jais to make the nikah with the أهل kitab. أهل kitab means Yahud and Nasara. Okay, Yahud and Nasara, Jewish people, and the Nasara, what does it call? Christian. لقوله تعالى والمحصنات من الذين أوتوا الكتاب. The محصنات mean covered girl, good girls. محصنات means the girls who do the parda. Okay, she is very good girl, do good deeds. المحصنات, and the good girls من الذين, from the people أوتوا الكتاب, who are given the book. محصنات means أي العفائف. عفائف means عفيفة, باك دامن. Okay. ولا فرق بين الكتابية الحرة والأمة. understood the afaif, muhsanat and afaif in the same meaning.
Yes.
So, ولا فرق بين الكتابية الحرة والأمة. So there's not any difference between the أهل kitab of if she was a free or if she was a servant. على ما نبين من بعد إن شاء الله. We will tell you إن شاء الله. ولا يجوز تزويج المجوسيات, and it is not jais to make the nikah with the majus people. Majus people means the people who obey the sun, okay, or the people who obey the fire, sits around the fire and they make the sajda in front of the fire, okay.
Okay.
So this is majus. لقوله عليه السلام sunnu bihim sunnat ahl al-kitab, because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, treat the majus people sunnat ahl al-kitab, just like the treatment with the ahl kitab. But what is the difference? غير ناكحي نسائهم ولا أكل ذبائحهم. But no one can make the nikah with their girls, ولا أكل ذبائحهم, or no one can eat the 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 animal which is slaughtered by the Majus people. Okay. قالوا ولا الوثنيات. ولا الوثنيات. وثنيات means but parast. You know but parast.
Yes, I do worship her.
But parast, the person who makes his god na'uzubillah from the stone, and then he sits in front of him and he makes something in front of it, and he's making obey him. Okay. وثني لقول السلام ولا تنكحوا المشركات حتى يؤمنوا, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says ولا تنكحوا المشركات, and don't make the nikah with the mushrik people حتى يؤمنوا, until they accept the Islam, embrace Islam. ويجوز تزويج الصابئات, and it is jais to make the nikah with the sabi. Sabi means a person who left his deen, okay, and now we do not know that and on which deen he is, okay. So sabi in kanu yu'minuna bidin. Many times sabi is called the person who obey the sun and who obey the Mars and the other planets of the sky, okay. That this is the planet of the happiness, and this is the planet of the happiness, and this is the planet which gives us the babies. This is just like this, okay. Sabiat in kanu yu'minuna bidinin. It is jais to make the nikah with the sabiat in kanu yu'minuna bidinin, if they are obeying a deen. I don't know what happened. Are you hearing me?
Yes, we can hear you now.
In kanu yu'minuna bidinin, if they are obeying a deen, if they are obeying a Nasara or a Yahudi deen or a Nasrani deen, is Christianity, so you can make the nikah with them. وَيُقِرُّونَ بِكِتَابٍ, or if they will accept a book, even if it is Zabur, Injil or Tawrat, okay. لأنهم من أهل الكتاب, because then they will call أهل الكتاب, okay. وإن كانوا يعبدون الكواكب ولا كتاب لهم لم تجز مناكحتهم, if they are obeying the planets, al-kawakib planets, ولا كتاب لهم, and they don't have a book, lam tajuz munakahatuhum, then making the nikah with them is not allowed, okay.
Okay.
Because in this situation لأنه مشركون, they will be mushrik. والخلاف المنقول فيه محمول على اشتباه مذهبهم. Then when you will see, Musannif Rahimahullah wants to tell you that there is ikhtilaf, disagreement between the ulama about the jawaz of the nikah with the sabi people, sabi'at, or it is jaiz or not. So some ulama said it is jaiz and some said it is not jaiz. Why? Because والخلاف المنقول فيه محمول على اشتباه مذهبهم, and the disagreement which is written in the books, محمول, it means that على اشتباه مذهبهم, it is about the doubt of their deen, because there is very doubt in the deen of the sabi people, in the deen of the sabi'at. So according to that doubt, some ulama said, which had a doubt, they said the nikah is ghayru jaiz. So some ulama when they were clear that these people are Ahl Kitab, so they said the nikah is jais. Okay, so wal khilaf al manqul, so the disagreement which is written in the book, it is according to the doubt of their deen, their mazhab. Okay, فكل أجاب على ما وقع عنده. So every alim and every scholar, he he made the argument على ما وقع عنده, related to the research which is done near him. Okay, so according to every alim's research, they made the argument about the Sabi people. If they have the research of these people are Ahl Kitab, so they said the nikah is jais. If they have the research that these people are mushrik, so they said the nikah is jais. Got it? وعلى
Yes.
هذا حل ذبيحتهم. And based on this rule, the hillat of their slaughtering is also based on this rule. If there is any doubt, so the zabiha is najaiz, ghayru jaiz. If there is not doubt, but they are ahl kitab, so the slaughtering of them of animal will be jaiz, and that animal will be halal for the Muslim. قال ويجوز للمحرم والمحرمة أن يتزوجا في حالة الإحرام, and it is jaiz for the muhrim and muhrima. You know muhrim who wore the ihram in the Hajj and Umrah. Okay, so this is muhrim. ويجوز للمحرم والمحرمة, and the person who wore the ihram, or a girl who wore the ihram, it is jaiz for them أن يتزوجا, to make the nikah between each other في حالة الإحرام, in the ihram. Why? وقال الشافعي لا يجوز. الإمام الشافعي لا يجوز. وتزويج الولي المحرم وليته على هذا الخلاف. And to make the nikah of the wali, which wali is muhrim, which wali is wearing ihram, waliyatahu, to make the nikah of their waliya على هذا الخلاف. It is also based on this disagreement. You got the point? If wali makes nikah of the waliya of a girl which is under him, and wali is in the ihram, so also it is based on this rule. Okay, we said that nikah is jais. Imam Shafi said nikah is not jais. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
وتزويج الولي المحرم, and the wali who is wearing ihram, if he will make the nikah, waliyatahu, nikah of the girl which is under him, على هذا الخلاف, it is also based on this rule. له قوله عليه السلام لا ينكح المحرم ولا ينكح, because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said لا ينكح المحرم ولا ينكح, muhrim cannot make the nikah, ولا ينكح, and he should not be related with the nikah, muhrim. Okay, and sometimes لا ينكح المحرم ولا ينكح, it is la yankih also is correct, and la yunkih is also correct. Okay, la yankih means he should not make the nikah himself, and la yunkih means he should not make the nikah of other people if he is in the ihram, just like wali. Okay,
Yes.
ولنا ولنا ما روي أنه عليه السلام تزوج بميمونة وهو محرم. And our dalil is the riwayat that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam made the nikah with the Maymuna radiyallahu ta'ala anha وهو محرم, and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was in the ihram. وما got it?
Yes.
What is the answer of the Imam Shafi'i? Imam Shafi'i said لا 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 ينكح المحرم ولا ينكح. What is the answer of this hadith? So Ahnaf said وما رواه محمول على الوط. And the answer and the hadith which is quoted by the Imam Shafi'i rahimahullah, mahmulun, it means that the nikah means in that hadith wati. In that hadith, the nikah means what? Wati. If someone makes the nikah in the ihram and he want to make wati there in the ihram, so the wati is haram, is ghairu jaiz in the ihram. But simple nikah is halal, okay, in the ihram. Got it? So
Yes.
the dalil of the Adam Jawaz, which is written by the Imam Shafi'i, it means that the wati is ghairu jaiz. Muhrim cannot make the wati in the ihram. It does not mean that he cannot make the nikah. He can make the nikah there, simple nikah. Okay?
Okay.
ويجوز تزويج الأمة مسلمة كانت أو كتابية. ويجوز تزويج الأمة مسلمة كانت أو كتابية. And it is jaiz to to make the nikah with the girl servant, with the bandi, مسلمة كانت أو كتابية, even if she was Muslim or even if she was of أهل كتاب يهود النصارى. وقال الشافعي رحمه الله لا يجوز. You got it?
Yes.
وقال الشافعي رحمه الله, الشافعي رحمه الله said لا يجوز للحر أن يتزوج بأمة كتابية. Now Shafi said it is not jais for a free person أن يتزوج to make the nikah بأمة كتابية with the girl servant which is أهل كتاب. Why? لأن جواز نكاح الإمام ضروري عنده, because the jawaz of the nikah of the servants ضروري عنده, it is because of the zarura and near the Imam Shafi'i. Imam Shafi'i said when someone cannot make the nikah with the free girl, with the hurra, with the free girl, and he has, for example, he has some obstacles according professionally or other obstacles of the financially, so then he will go to the servant to make the nikah with the servant. No one is allowed uh, basically to make the nikah with the servant. This is the opinion of the Imam Shafi'i. He will make the nikah with the servant when there is obstacles in the nikah of the free girl. Got it? So
Yes.
zarura means when he is stuck in problems and he cannot make the nikah with the free girl because of any issue, then he will go to make the nikah with the servant. So this is zarura. والضرورة تتقدر بقدر الضرورة. Have you listened this rule? والضرورة تتقدر بقدر الضرورة. Yes.
Yes.
And we will make the amal and we will perform the zarura بقدر الضرورة, in the quantity of the zarura. For example, if someone is hungry and he is going to die, and you will allow him to eat the khinzir, okay, or to drink the sharab, beer. So it does not mean that he will drink the beer all the bottle or two bottles or three bottles, or he is not allowed to eat the khinzir 1 kilo, 1 kg and 2 kg and 3 kg. Okay, so it means that if he is going to die and he want to eat something, we will allow him to eat a small quantity of the khinzir or of the beer to be stable, just not to die. Okay.
Okay.
So this is zarura was zarura to تتقدر بقدر الزرورة. So Imam Shafi said when it is zarura, so zarura تتقدر بقدر الزرورة. If you have a zarura, so you can make the nikah. If there is not any zarura, you cannot make the nikah at the beginning with the girl servant. ولهذا جعل قول الحرة مانعا منه. That's why Imam Shafi rahimahullah made the ikhtiyar. طول mean ikhtiyar. How can you say ikhtiyar?
The options.
Option.
Yes.
Okay. ولهذا جعل. That's why Imam Shafi rahimahullah said, Imam Shafi rahimahullah treated or made طول الحرة, the option of the free girl, مانعا, is obstacle from the nikah of the servant girl. Okay. If someone has the option of the free girl, so this option of the free girl will be obstacle from the nikah of the servant girl. You got the point?
Yes.
طول الحرة, طول means the option. اختيار. طول of the free girl مانعا عنه is obstacle from the منه, from the nikah of the servant. وعندنا الجواز مطلق. But our opinion is الجواز مطلق. Okay. And the jawaz on the Quran is mutlaq, to make the nikah with the girls. Okay. And the girl is even if she is kitabiya or even if she is Muslima. Okay.
Yes.
Even if she is ama, or even if she is free. So لإطلاق المقتضي, because the مقتضي means the ayat is mutlaq. وفيه امتناع عن تحصيل الجزء الحر لا إرقاقه. There is a very beautiful point. Imam Shafi said, because if you will make the nikah with a girl, now look at the logical point of the Imam Shafi. Imam Shafi said, when you make the nikah with the servant, So if you will make the nikah with the free girl, so your children will come free people, azad, hur. And you know the hur has a lot of options which the servant does not have. You know, in the Islam, okay, if
Yes.
he can make the nikah with 4 girls and he can give the talaq, 3 talaq, and a lot of things. But the servant does not have these things. So Imam Shafi said, when you are, for example, I will tell you clearly, when you are putting the sperm, which sperm has the option to be free, a free boy, you are putting that sperm in the servant. So that sperm will be a guy which is what? Which is not free, which is servant. So how can you make your sperm which is free? How can you make it servant? Got it? If you are free, if someone is hur, so how can he will make his boy, which will come in the future, he can make his boy free if he will make the nikah with the ama, with the servant. So his all boys and his all sons will be servants. Got it?
Yes.
So how can you make your part which is free? How can you make your part unfree, not free? And how can you close your part in the uh, servants? Okay.
Yes.
So our jawab is وفيه امتناع عن تحصيل الجزء الحر لا إرقاقه. Imam Shafi said that you are making your free sperm a servant. We said that we are not making a free person a servant, but uh, we are not making it servant, but we are stopping to accept a free boy. You got it? For example, someone makes the nikah with the servant, okay, with the girl servant. So that here is the point that if he will make the nikah with the servant, so there is not any boy that he was free and he made him servant, but he is stopped to make the boys which are free, and he has option to, and he went to make the servant sons. Got it?
Yes.
فيه امتناع, and in this making the nikah with the servant, there is stopping from the achievement of the part which is hur. لا يلقاقه. Not, we are not making a part which is free already, and we are making him servant. We are not doing it, but we are a man who made the nikah with the servant. We will suppose that he is stopping to achieve the free part, and he accepted the servant part. Got it? So stopping from the free son, stopping to achieve the free son, and making the free son servant, there is a huge difference between these 2 points. Got it?
Yes.
So we are, so if someone makes the nikah with the servant, so uh, he does not make anything servant, but he stopped to achieve the the hur boy, but he wants the servant boy. وله أن لا يحصل الأصل فيكون له أن لا يحصل الوصل. What is, look at here, Umar and Osman. There is a full stop, لا إرقاقه, okay? A dot. This is incorrect, okay? Can you make uh, the translation of lahu, Umar? Walahu. What does it mean? Walahu. Lahu means
For the free man.
there are 2 dots.
Oh, I'm looking in my book. Let me see.
In your book, what is there?
In our book, it says وَلَهُ and then الْفَرِّ in
There is not 2 dots
parentheses.
after lahu.
No.
There is not any 2 dots, huh?
No, there's no 2 dots.
That is correct. In my screen, are you looking at the screen?
I'm
If you will see to my screen, look at for a while. Walahu. Walahu means when you will see to the text, there are 2 dots. It means that near the Imam Shafi'i. Okay, because in every walana, look at walana, there are two dots.
Yes.
When so this is the incorrect to put two dots or to put one dot, because from here وعندنا, this from here we start our opinion, and our opinion ends Allah يحصل الوصف to this point. Okay,
Okay.
so there is not, lahu does not mean that near the Imam Shafi'i. Okay, when you will shoot to the text, so you will suppose that it is the opinion of Imam Shafi'i. It is not. It is our opinion. Okay, going on. وَلَهُ أَلَّا يَحْصُلَ الْوَصْلُ, and for the free person, he has option أَلَّا يَحْصُلَ الْأَصْلُ, to not achieve the asl, the girl. For example, the son. For example, if he will do the azal, you know the azal.
No.
Azal means when someone is making jima and he puts his sperm out on the earth, he does not put the sperm in the womb of the girl. This is azal.
Okay.
So a free person can make the azal from a girl. Okay, if a free person can make the azal, and he can destroy his sperm, which is very important for the boy. So if he can destroy a boy, a huge boy, he can destroy from the beginning. He can. I don't want to make son. I will destroy my sperm. I will do the azal. So if he is allowed to do the azal, now he is allowed to go to the servant. Got it?
Yes.
So walahu, if he has the option Allah yahsul al aslu, to not take the asal, so he has the option to not take the wasaf. The wasaf is the riqiyat, gulami, being servant. Okay, so being free. If he wants, if he has the option to not make any son, so he has also the option to avoid the free son and to go to the servant son. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
ولا يتزوج أمة على حرة, and no one can make the nikah with the servant على حرة, uh, when the free girl is there already in the nikah. I told you تزوج على means, I told you in the previous lessons, if means تزوج على حرة, but it means that there is a hurra and he now is making the nikah with the ama. Okay, so it is not good, not jais. Why? You got this translation?
Yes.
لقول عليه السلام لا تنكح الأمة على الحرة. The servant should not be related with the nikah on the ama, on the bandi, on the servant. Oh, sorry, on the free girl. Sorry. So لا تنكح المرأة على الحرة. So the servant girl should not be related in the nikah على الحرة on the free girl. وهو بإطلاقه, and because of the إطلاق of this hadith, because this hadith is very mutlaq, there is not any condition of any حرة or هو بإطلاقه. So this hadith is dalil of us, دليلنا حجة على الشافعي against the Imam Shafi'i في تجويزه ذلك للعبد, because Imam Shafi'i رحمه الله made it jais for the abd. He said it is jais for the servant to make the nikah with the servant after the free girl. The free girl is there already in the nikah and he wants the nikah with the servant, so he can make the nikah. So this hadith is our dalil against the Imam Shafi'i in the jawaz of the جواز of the nikah. ذلك means nikah of the bandi للعبد for the servant. وعلى مالك, and this hadith is our dalil against the Imam Malik في تجويزه برزا الحرة, that he, Imam Shafi, Imam Malik said that it is jais to make the nikah with the servant برزا الحرة, with the happiness of the free girl. If free girl allows you, so you can make the nikah with the bandi, with the servant girl. Okay.
Yes.
ولأن, and now the logical dalil. ولأن للرق أثرا في تنصيم في النعمة على ما نقرر في. And you know there is the للرق for the what is the masdar of the servant?
Servitude.
Services.
Servitude.
Service.
Yes, service.
Service. ولأن للرق, and for the service there is the attraction for the service في تنصيف النعمة, to cut the نعمة in the mid على ما نقرر إن شاء الله, that we will tell you إن شاء الله in كتاب الطلاق. It means that there is the huge difference because of the service in the ni'mah, because all the ni'mat which were complete because of the service, it will be nisf. The talaq will be 2. You will have the 2 talaq, ikhtiyar of the 2 talaq, and you will have the option of the 2 talaq, and you will have the option of a lot of things which are nisf, okay, because of the service. So that's why فيثبت به حل المحلية في حالة الانفراد دون حالة الانضمام. So because of this service, that mahal of the servant will be halal في حالة الانفراد. When there is just one girl and he wants to make the nikah, so he will make the nikah with the servant. At the beginning, it is correct. دون حالة الانضمام, but in the inzimam, when he is gathering 2 girls and the first one is free, so it will not be jaiz. So فيثبت به حل المحلية. So you know, it is very beautiful point, Omar. Service cuts everything in the mid. You got it?
Yes.
So when there is a girl which is servant, so it is allowed to make the nikah with her when there is not any girl before her. Okay? In the halat al-infirad. But in the halat of the inzimam, when there is a girl before her which is free, now you cannot make the nikah with the servant. Because of the service, the option is nisf now. The option is cut it at the mid and it is nisf now. The free girl has the option to make the nikah at the beginning as well, and the halat infirad as well, and the halat inzimam as well when there is a girl before already. So the free girls has the option to make the nikah in both options. But the servant girl will not have the option in the halat inzimam. She will have the option in the halat infirad. Just got it?
Yes.
Halat infirad means when there is not any girl before her. Halat inzimam means when there is a girl before her which is free. Now you cannot make the nikah with the servant. Okay? So because of this service, everything is nisf now. Okay? ويجوز تزويج الحرة عليها. Now it is عكس. ويجوز تزويج الحرة عليها, and it is jaiz to make the nikah with the free girl عليها on the servant girl. Because if, for example, if you have the girl in the nikah which is servant, now you can make the nikah with the free girl. It is easy, okay? وتنكح المرأة حرة على الأمة, because Rasulullah said the free girl should be related in the nikah على الأمة on the servant girl. ولأنها من المحللات في جميع الحالات, because the free girl is halal في جميع الحالات, in all the situation. So why? إذا لا منصف في حقهما, because there is not any dalil منصف which cuts the ni'mat, which cuts the options of the free girl in the middle في حقها, in the option of the free girl, because the free girls does not have any munassif. Munassif means any dalil or any reason which cuts your hukuk in the middle. Okay? Because we does not have any dalil which cuts the hukuk of the free girl. Okay?
Okay.
So it is, inshallah, we will start from this page number 20 tomorrow. Now I'm going to the prayer, and after 10 or 15 minutes, I will start the next lesson. Okay?
Okay, inshallah.
Jazakum.
Jazakallah khair.
جزاك الله خير.
Jazakum. Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام.